Hi everyone, welcome to my unboxing and review of the Magene MG70 smart spinning bike. You can get this product for about $700. Check out the link in the description. The spinning bike comes with an American and a European power plug, a user manual, and everything you need to assemble the bike. Assembling the bike is very easy and only takes a few minutes. The bike's net weight is about 36 kg and the height range is between 150 cm and 195 cm. It has an adjustable seat and handlebar. Adjusting the height is very easy. After the bike is powered on and activated, you can turn the resistance knob to adjust the resistance. With the QR code on the tablet tray, you can download the free OneLab app. The app has a lot of different settings and training options. The bike is equipped with an electromagnetic system and FTP evaluation, which means it can adjust the resistance automatically when you ride the course in the app. It can also connect to Swift, Groovy, Roadmap and other apps. I tested the spinning bike for about a week and I think it's a very nice product. It's easy to use, it's very sturdy, it's compatible with a variety of apps, and it has a lot of different training options. So if you are looking for a spinning bike for your home, which is compatible with a variety of apps and doesn't take up too much space, I would recommend the Magene MG70 smart spinning bike. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or comments about this product, and subscribe for more amazing product reviews.